Look to the Lord and his strength, seek his face always. First Chronicles chapter 16 verses 11.
Hello family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Welcome back to the Ghana month. I am always so excited about March. It is amazing. It's an exciting month, so please get ready. I'm going to give you a nice fun ride on this channel during the month of March, so please stay tuned for that. On that note, let me share my favorite street food from Ghana. It is no other than fried yam and some crispy fish. This one is amazing. It is also a way to invite anyone who wants to try any Ghanaian meal for the first time. This is the recipe for you. It is absolutely amazing. It is just so easy to make. It takes you from 15 minutes to 20 minutes to get everything done, and you're going to absolutely love it. So please stay tuned and let's enjoy.
These are the few ingredients needed. I am using horse mackerel, some fresh tomatoes, onions, habanero pepper, and my yam. I'm using pona today. It is the best for this recipe. I'm going to cut it into two. Peel off the skin, and I am definitely going to show you how to cut your yam if you want to achieve the street style vibes. Okay, so do not go anywhere. Okay, it's important to join the family if you're loving what you're seeing already. I promise you, you're going to love it here so much. Okay, and hit the like button. It is very important. Okay, thank you so much. So now that I'm done peeling off the skin, I am going to now go ahead and cut. So I'm going with the street style way. This is exactly how you're going to find fried yams in the streets of Ghana. It is so lovely. It's being cut into diamond shapes like this, and once you're done, be sure to go ahead and wash your yam. Wash it for about 3 times. Please make sure you use cold water while washing it. It helps reduce the amount of starch in there. So do it about 3 times if you can. Okay, so now that I'm done, I'll go ahead and season it now with some salt and a bit of turmeric powder. It's going to help bring a lot more lively color to our yam. Okay, and you want to make sure you add about 2 cups of water before doing this. Okay, this way it is able to just spread all the seasoning all around each and every piece of yam we have in here. Allow that to rest for about 10 minutes. Make sure you go ahead and heat up some good amount of oil in your frying pan, because we need our oil to be very nice and hot. So we are waiting for the yam to season and for the oil to also heat up. So without wasting too much time, I'll just go ahead and clean my fish. I'm using the horse mackerel today. You can definitely use any fish of choice. Most of the time, if you want it even quick, you may go ahead and use some corned beef or some sardines in the sunflower oil. It is so good as well. Okay, but today I just wanted to go with the street style. It's just the best way. So I went ahead to clean my fish and cut them into the pieces that I prefer. It is important to tap your fish dry before you add all your seasoning. I'll begin with a bit of salt and my all-purpose fish seasoning. I'm going to go ahead and give it a very nice and gentle massage, making sure that each and every fish has good amount of seasoning on them. Okay, so once I'm done, I'll just go ahead and set it aside in the fridge for about 10 minutes as well. And just look, our oil is nice and warm, so it's the best time for us to fry our yam. Okay, so we are frying our yam for about 7 to 10 minutes, 5 minutes on each side, and make sure the oil is good enough to cover all your yam, as you see here. And here you also see me that I'm sprinkling a little bit of water in the oil while the yam is frying. This is because I want the yam to be very crispy on the outside and super moist in the inside. Trust family, it is the best way to fry your yam. Look how beautiful they look. And now we're ready to just take them out after about 10 minutes and they're nice and crispy the way I want it to be. Once you've taken them out, you just want to continue until you're done frying all of your yams. Boy, these were so good. The touch of turmeric was also lovely to give that yam a very beautiful, nice color, as you see on your screens. And they're amazing. Very crunchy as well. So beautiful. So once I'm done with frying my yam, I'll go ahead and be dropping my fish instantly in the same oil. Okay, it's being rested for about 15 minutes now, so it's a perfect time for me to add it to the oil. Look how perfectly crispy this fish is looking. Absolutely amazing. You just want to have it a little bit more in the oil for about 5 minutes on each side and you should be done. Beautiful. So we are done here. We are really done with the frying process. So it's a perfect time for us to grind our peppers. Okay, you can decide to even make this before so that everything goes so fast once everything is fried, right? All you want to go ahead and cut your onions. I'm using some yellow onions here. You can definitely use some white ones if that's what you have. I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces like this for the easy grinding process. I'll also add about half thumb size of ginger. This is going to bring that freshness and hot cake all in one. Once everything is being grinded very well, I'm now going to introduce my hot habanero pepper. You may use scotch bonnet pepper as well, depending on how hot you want it. Okay, I want it a lot more hotter and spicy. It is lovely that way. So I'll grind everything and then introduce my tomatoes. I ended up using just 2 of the fresh tomatoes. You can definitely use more if you feel like it's too hot for you. Okay, so go ahead and cut it into smaller pieces like this and begin to grind until everything is perfectly incorporated well. It's definitely an easy process and it's very enjoyable. I don't know about you, but I really enjoy this process a lot. So once everything comes together well, I'm now going to season it with a bit of salt. Use the salt that you prefer, okay, according to your taste buds. So now everything has come very well together. I'm going to put it in a bowl and we will be ready to serve ourselves this amazing easy street food from Ghana. It is absolutely delicious. So I went in with my pepper blend and it was so good. I also went ahead to add a little touch of shito, and boy oh boy, those two combinations are just perfection. Here comes my yam, crispy fried yam, and my super amazing fried fish, which is just the best combination ever. Go ahead, sprinkle a little bit more of some fresh red onions for that crunch and aroma. It is absolutely incredible. This has really taken me back to my younger age. It is absolutely incredible. I hope you will try this. It's been a long time for you. You have to try it. It is absolutely delicious. So there you have it, family. Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed your time with me. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps this channel grow. And also please share with your friends and family. This will be so amazing for them to see. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to gear you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe. Join the family for new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and as always, know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.